Hello बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, which of the following statements are correct? So option 1 given, mixing two oppositely charged salts neutralizes their charges and stabilizes the colloid. Option 2, presence of equal and similar charges on colloidal particles provides stability to colloids. Option 3, any amount of dispersed liquid can be added to emulsion without destabilizing it. And option 4, Brownian movement stabilizes the salts. So the key concept behind this question comes from surface chemistry, mainly colloid solution. So colloid solutions generally has some equal and similar charges, on colloidal particles, and that stabilizes the colloids. So colloid solutions के ऊपर क्या होते हैं, सिमिलर चार्जेस होता है. अगर पॉजिटिव चार्ज हो तो सिमिलर चार्ज होता है उसके colloid solutions के बाहर, colloid particles के बाहर. So when they come together they are not aggregate, एक साथ जुड़ नहीं जाता है, एग्रीगेट नहीं होते हैं. सो colloidal solution suspended, finally suspended रहते हैं throughout the solution, dispersion medium में. Okay, so this is one of the reason for the stability of colloidal solution. Okay, and now another concept is Brownian motion. So Brownian movement also stabilizes the colloidal solution because it is the stirring process. Brownian movement is the stirring method. So it stabilizes the colloidal particles and cannot produce precipitate. So it prevents the settle down of colloidal particles. So that is mostly important, because if the colloidal particles are settled down, then there is no colloidal solution, so the stability will be decreases. So that is the main reason. These two are main reasons. So if we read the option 1, it is said that mixing two oppositely charged salts neutralizes their charges and stabilizes the colloid. No, this is an incorrect option, because if there is two oppositely charged comes together, they aggregate and they will form the bigger particles, and it will settle down in the solution, so it cannot form the colloids. So option 1 is incorrect. Option 2, presence of equal and similar charges on colloidal particle provides stability to the colloid. That is most important for stability of the colloid. So option 2 is correct. In option 3, we see that any amount of dispersed liquid can be added to emulsion without destabilizing it. So this is not the correct, because for the process of preparation of emulsion, the definite amount of dispersed medium, definite amount of dispersion liquid is required. So any amount of dispersed liquid, if we add to the emulsion, it is not stabilizes the emulsion. So this is not the correct option. And option 4, Brownian movement stabilizes salt. Yes, as we discussed before, Brownian movement stabilizes the salts. It is also correct. So option 2 and option 4 are correct. Hope you understand it well. All the best.